Vankaya Pappu, Brinjal dal. Welcome to my channel Madhura Smriti. Cook healthy, eat healthy, and stay healthy. Let's make a healthy and delicious recipe with brinjal and tuar dal. For this, wash and soak 1 cup of tuar dal for about 15 to 20 minutes and take it in a pressure cooker. Add glass of water. Now add brinjal pieces for about 150 to 200 grams. For this, wash brinjal and cut into small pieces of your desired size and put it in the salt water so that it doesn't oxidize. Add 1 roughly chopped onion, 3 to 4 chopped tomatoes, 3 to 4 green chilies, and 4 to 5 crushed garlic. Garlic is optional. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder or as per your taste. Now cover the lid and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles or till done. Once the pressure is gone, remove the lid and add salt for taste. And now mash the dal as per your consistency. Brinjal dal, Baingan ka dal, Vankaya Pappu is almost ready. Let's season it to enhance its flavor. For tadka or seasoning, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add 2 to 3 crushed garlic. It is optional. Add the ingredients, that is half teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal and chana dal as per your choice, and add 2 red chilies and a few curry leaves. And now add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and hing, that is asafoetida. It is optional. Stir it, switch off the flame and add the cooked brinjal dal and mix well. Healthy, yummy Vankaya Pappu is ready to serve. Serve with rice, chapati, etc. Try this simple and healthy Vankaya Pappu. And if you like the video, please share with your family and friends. For more interesting and healthy recipes, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.